The Enquiry Manager. There are two ways you can receive new inquiries through Total Drive. Option 1 is Waiting List. This adds the learner instantly to your waiting list and only requires the learner's name, contact details and address. Option 2 is Inquiry List, which sends you an email lead with the option to accept or decline. This inquiry includes the learner's name, contact details, address, date of birth, license number and optional details on their theory test and practical test status. For multicast schools, the new lead approach is recommended, allowing staff to accept and allocate a learner to a specific instructor. Enquiry Manager Setup. 1. Log into the web portal at www.totaldrive.app. 2. Click Account, then select Enquiry Manager. 3. Select if you offer automatic lessons, manual lessons, or both. 4. Include a message the learner will read after submitting their form. 5. Enter the email address you wish to receive the inquiry alerts to. Enquiry Manager Installation. Depending on where you wish to display the inquiry form, we have provided a pre-built widget link and iframe website. A widget is a one-page website branded with your driving school name and logo. You can share the widget link across social media and messaging apps. An iframe can be used if you have a website and the code is embedded directly into your website page. How to add the inquiry link to Facebook. 1. From the Enquiry Manager page, tap the Copy button. 2. Go to your Facebook page. 3. Write a new post, such as, "To inquire about lessons, please click here," and then paste the website widget link. 4. Click Post on Facebook. How to send the inquiry link to a text message. 1. From the Enquiry Manager page, tap the Copy button. 2. Open your text message app. 3. Enter your pupil's mobile number. 4. Write your message and then paste the website widget link.